Come test drive the 2024 Telluride. The Kia Telluride is an impressive SUV that boasts a striking exterior look, plenty of interior technology features, additional space for guests in the third row, and a powerful engine leave no doubt that this is an SUV worth talking about. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.